So this is a problem that almost everyone gets wrong. Now, here comes this math ninja going to show you exactly step by step how to solve this problem. Let's get started. Let's rewrite this as 16 to the x outside of 1 plus 1, which equals to 128. Now we have 16 to the x times 2 is equals to 128. Let's divide both side by 2. We get 16 to the x is equals to 64. But we know that 16 is equals to 2 to the 4 and 64 is equals to 2 to the 6. Now let's take this and put into there. We get 2 to the 4 outside of x is equals to 2 to the 6. Let's rewrite this as 2 to the 4x is equals to 2 to the 6. Now, this is the same base, therefore, 4x has to be equals to 6, and x is equals to 6 over 4, which is equals to 3 upon 2. Now, we can verify that 3 is a valid solution, so we can verify. Well, we have 16 to the x plus 16 to the x is equals to 128. Therefore, we can write this as 16 to the 3 upon 2 plus 16 to the 3 on 2 is equals to 128. Now, let's rewrite this as the square root of 16 cubed plus the square root of 16 cubed is equals to 128. But we know that the cube root of 16 is 4096 plus 4096, which is equals to 128. Now, the square root of 4096 is 64 plus 64 is equals to 128. 128 is equals to 128. All right, the solution is valid. Subscribe to the channel. Like this video for more.